friends, let's draw a cute house today. Did you ever think about how funny houses are? I mean, they just stand there all day, like, hey, I'm a house. I've got walls, a roof, and a front door. What's your superpower? Have you ever wondered why doors are so polite? They always knock before opening, and what about windows? They're like big glasses for houses so they can see outside. If houses could wear sunglasses, imagine how cool they'd look. Here's something wild. What if houses had feet? Would they walk around the neighborhood? Maybe they'd race each other to see who gets the best parking spot for cars. Imagine your house going, race you to the bakery. And chimneys, they're like party hats for houses. I bet if chimneys could talk, they'd say, hey, look at me. I'm the tallest one here, but really, they're just blowing smoke literally. You know what's even funnier? Houses never take naps. They stay awake all day and all night. But if houses could sleep, would they snore? Loud, creaky snores makes a funny snoring sound. I've got another question for you. If a house had a favorite food, what would it be? Cookies from the oven? Or maybe it'd just drink rainwater from the roof like a giant straw. Slurp, slurp. Remember, no matter where you live, your house is your own little universe. See you next time, House Explorers. Bye-bye.